Welcome, Grade 12 scholars, to the International Online School. Today, we're excited to delve into Chapter 15 of our chemistry course, Organic Compounds, meticulously designed according to the Federal Board of Pakistan's curriculum and standards. Let's begin with chemistry. Let's dive into Chapter 15, Organic Compounds, an essential aspect of chemical studies. In this overview, we dive into Introduction to Organic Chemistry, Diversity and Magnitude of Organic Compounds, Classification of Organic Compounds, Use of coal as a source of hydrocarbons, Use of plants as a source of organic compounds, Organic compound synthesis in the lab, Functional groups and homologous series. Let's explore each of these points covered in this chapter. We'll begin with an in-depth introduction to organic chemistry. This lesson introduces students to the fundamental concepts of organic chemistry, defining organic chemistry and organic compounds, and laying the groundwork for understanding the unique properties and characteristics of carbon-containing molecules. Next, you'll explore the diversity and magnitude of organic compounds. Students will analyze why there is such a diversity and magnitude of organic compounds, examining the versatility of carbon bonding and the myriad ways in which carbon atoms can combine to create a vast array of organic molecules. We then move on to the classification of organic compounds. In this lesson, students will classify organic compounds based on their structures, understanding how the arrangement of carbon atoms and functional groups leads to the systematic categorization of organic molecules. Following that, we'll discuss the use of coal as a source of hydrocarbons. This lesson focuses on understanding the practical applications of coal as a source of both aliphatic and aromatic hydrocarbons, exploring the extraction and utilization of hydrocarbons derived from coal. In next lesson on the use of plants as a source of organic compounds, students will learn about the role of plants in providing organic compounds. This lesson highlights the connection between organic chemistry and the natural world, showcasing the importance of plants in supplying various organic molecules. You'll then develop knowledge about organic compound synthesis in the lab. Building on the natural sources of organic compounds, this lesson explains how organic compounds are synthesized in the lab. Students will explore the methods and processes involved in laboratory synthesis, linking theoretical knowledge to practical applications. Finally, we conclude with functional groups and homologous series. The last lesson in this chapter defines key concepts. Students will understand the definitions of functional groups and homologous series, essential for classifying and comprehending the properties of organic compounds. With recorded lessons to go back to, easy-to-read notes, quizzes, practice tests to get you exam ready, online sessions with instructors, question forums, and live support from the International Online School team will make sure you're well prepared. Completing this course means not just achieving good grades, but excelling and aiming for A+ results. Your dedication and hard work will pave the way for success. So, let's begin with Chapter 15 and embark on this enriching journey of chemistry, crafted to ensure your success at the International Online School.